guys.
So guys, we are unboxing a new car today. So Rihaan, which car do you want?
McLaren.
McLaren. Okay, let's see if we have that. Take it, Rihaan. Which car is this?
McLaren.
Come on, show me. Come on, show me first. It's RW die-cast model McLaren 750S. Come on, unbox it, Rihaan. Come on, unbox it from here. Okay, I will help you. Okay, unbox it, Rihu. Come on, take it out. Whoa! Nice. Show me. Wow. Show me, Rihaan. Wow, nice car. Wow, McLaren 750E. Nice. Nice car. Take it, Rihaan. Do you like this car?
Yes, Papa. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone.